we must maintain the highest degree of integrity. And as for me, Barugahara Bala Mateni, I will never participate in voter bribery or rigging of any form. And as people who serve under the president, he believes in democracy and he believes in the communities and the constituencies and the nation to determine their leaders or their favorite leaders through good programming. NRM came to power after those instances of voter irregularities. That is why NRM established the Independent Electoral Commission. Security were in place to preserve security. Also, the government had received information that bad elements were trying to infiltrate to harm people in Kawempe. Like on nomination day, government saved Honorable Nalukolola now from getting endangered by new people who were intending to endanger him. So they grabbed him, we couldn't know why they were grabbing him. They grabbed him and kept him for some time as they were chasing after people who wanted to endanger or to harm him. That's how government reacted. But people didn't understand it. And then I'm questioning National Unity Platform. Stop wearing JAT uniform and you claim it is JAT. There are NUP people like Sauda Madada who have JAT uniform with the medals on it. I mean, Uganda is not Konyo or Sirikati in South Sudan where you can't buy medals and you become a general by claim. So you should avoid using army uniforms. You should be good people and let's work. But the most important thing, you shouldn't provoke the security forces. Security forces, their work was to preserve law and order. The Electoral Commission was to ensure transparency in election, and that was the purpose and work of the Electoral Commission. Personally, I never got close to any polling point. I was 200 meters away from each of the polling points. I kept at Imbogo Mosque at the entrance, but I would oversee what was happening. My work was to oversee, observe, not to monitor and count election. I never got in touch with that. But still, during that observation, I was able to identify a new agent who had 18 voters' cards. But it's alleged he had over 300. And we've been told, according to the earlier research done, earlier information reaching the desk of intelligence, that no had such a person at every polling station. So if we had 170 polling stations, and you send the 200 voters card, illegal voters card, at each of the polling stations, how many people would have voted? So we believe NUP would have received over 8,500 votes as illegal votes. That is how they were able even to defeat us.
Ensiri enkulu yalwala.
Ensiri enkulu mosquito yalwala
netuma ensiri ento nti kakati gwoba ogenda leero okuleeta ebyokulya bwe yakomawo n'egigamba mutabani bigenze bitaneka abantu bansanyukidde bannange bulijjo simanyi nti abantu batwagala bwe bati ate leero we batuuse kunze basusse bususse ko kitayo waayo nti bibadde bitya tya nti obwedda buli wempita nga bakuba mu ngalo nga bakuba vaawo mwanange vaawo omuntu bw'olabanga bakuba mu ngalo baba baagala kulya.
Okay, kale, well, honorable.
N'olwekyo waliwo kati abantu abamu abakuba mu ngalo waliwo ensiri ente ennaku zino yatandise okubuuka bagikubira mu ngalo uliweyita dalabye neggula abantu mbwe
bakubira ensiri
ento mu ngalo bali ku birthday party weseze amyaka 5 ensiri enkyala bagikubira mu ngalo baagala zirya kuzitta.
Ensiri zo zikimanyi nti baagala zirya z'ensiri ze bakubira mu ngalo
anti kwe kuba eri ensiri yaddayo negamba taata waayo nti abantu nga basanyukidde obwedda buli wempita bakuba mu ngalo naga nti abo boolaba bakuba mu ngalo baagala kutta.
Wenyini wenjagala
in fact ne mwami Museveni yakigamba mutabani we
namuwulira at some point
yatwalayo babbala mu baana nga bakuliko baagala ssente
bannakigwanyizi balina bye baagala.
Dokita Besigye yakigambye ne Balamu yagambye ani Balamu yawandiikidde Dokita Besigye nkuyozaayoza tuuka ku mazaalibwa ago naye komawo mwenaalemu namuga nti mwana wange gye nakulira ng'obubwa obuto tebutera kwekulubeeseza mbwa nkadde we zidduse.
Bese bwe yagambye
nti obubwa obuto obulina amagezi tebwekulubeeseza embwa enkulu gye zadduka.
nga kyabadde kigambo kinene message nene mu statement eyo
anti minisita Balaam kiri gyali egisoma embwa
ento
ezirina amagezi tezeekulubeeseza mu bifo embwa enkulu gye zadduka kubanga yembwa enkulu weegamba nti awo siyitawo newe bakasukawo eggumba
bwakato tosobola kwegiri
bwakabwakatono ogendanga mbubwamu obukulu mwadduka mutya wano ffe tutuno tuzze